Hey guys, this is our little glute activation series here. So, kind of a medium-ish band will probably do it first, or if you're new at this, maybe a lighter band. Less can be more here in terms of glute activation. Okay, so our first set, we're gonna go, let's say if this is 90, I wanna open up about 45 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna lay right down. My hips have some options where they can go here. You see I'm kind of extending from my hip bone just to give you the angle that it's facing. When I'm doing glute stuff, I want my hip facing the floor more than I do the roof. That includes when I open up. So when I open my legs up, my hip shouldn't open like this. Okay, so I'm facing the floor on a slight angle towards the floor. And I'm just gonna open for say 10 to 12 reps. Another key point here is that my way down is nice and slow, and my way down is nice and smooth. I don't wanna be jerky on the way down. I also don't wanna be fast on the way down. That eccentric load is where I get a lot of my neurological activation from. Okay, so we'll do 10 to 12 reps there. Then we're just gonna straighten that top leg over top of the bottom leg, and we're gonna internally rotate. So now I've got my heel to the roof, my toe to the floor. Same thing, I'm just gonna lift, keeping my hips facing down, nice and slow on the way down. Up, slow and smooth on the way down. Okay, 10 to 12 there, and then repeat the same 2 exercises on the other side. Then we'll go to our belly. Dorsiflexed ankle, not plantar flexed ankle. And I'm gonna lift just a little bit off the ground. It doesn't have to be too high. In fact, it shouldn't be too high. You only need a little bit of lift to get your glute to activate. We don't wanna lift too high and extend through our spine. Okay, that's not helping us any. We're just trying to get the glute to work. So we can do about 20 of these total, alternating. That'll be 10 per side. Then flip onto your back, hip width, feet nice and close to the butt, feet straight. And we're gonna push out on the band a little bit. Bridge to neutral, not past neutral. And we're gonna come down, our butt's not actually gonna touch the ground. We're gonna stay engaged and drive back up to neutral, okay? Making sure that we're not extending through the lumbar at any point during this one, okay? So there's that series. You can do about 10 to 12 of this last one too. And your glutes should be firing after 2 or 3 or 4 reps. So if you're not feeling it, make a few adjustments and try and make that feeling in your glutes buzz a little bit. There you go.